Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sanika Pal and I am student of second year third sem from IHM Gwalior, and today we have prepared Punjabi menu again. So as you all know, Punjabi menu is famous for its hearty meal and delicious taste made with lots of dairy products. So let us see what our student has made. So first we have salad. Vivek, can you just explain a little bit about salad?
Okay. We prepared salad which includes this onion and lemon, green chili, tomato, and this is called kheera.
Cucumber. Okay, so as you can see, the shape of cucumber are nice and the presentation is also good. Next we have Matar Pulao by Sakshan.
Good afternoon. Today we have prepared Punjabi menu in which we have prepared Matar Pulao. It is basically an Indian dish. First we wash the rice in water, then we soak them, and after preparing the tadka by using the Indian spices, we added water and then we added rice, and finally after adding the peas and giving it a dum, the rice is prepared. As you can see, the rice is separating out due to presence of oil. And please taste some.
As you can see, the rice are cooked very well. Each grain of rice is separating, and the peas on it's giving good taste. Salt is perfect. The presentation is also good. Well done. Next we have chole by Rishabh.
Namaskar viewers. So as you all know, today we prepared Punjabi menu in which my team, Mr. Yash and Mr. Vivek, had prepared chola masala. So chola masala is basically originated from India, basically in North India. So let's come to its recipe. So first we boil chole, and for gravy we prepared ginger, garlic and green chili paste. And when we made gravy, so first we saute sliced onion, then we add all the ginger, garlic and green chili paste. After that we add all the masalas like Indian masala and Punjabi masala. After that we add in the gravy tomato puree, which has a very taste and a color very best. So please, I would like to invite Sanika. So please Sanika, have a taste.
Little bit. The taste of chole is very good. The color also is dark brown gravy, and it has little bit sourness, but overall taste is nice.
Thank you so
Next.
much for your review.
Next we have bhature by Yash.
Namaste viewers. So today we are make a bhatura. It's you can see the fluffiness of the bhatura, the softness of the bhatura. It is made by the fermented dough with the using of hanker and baking powder with oil and dough as usual. You made it, and they can see the softness of the bhatura. This it tastes. Please, can you taste it?
The softness of bhatura is perfectly fine. And it is not too much oily also, it is soft and a little bit crunchy also. It's perfect. Thank you, Yash. Next we have paneer butter masala.
Yes, paneer butter masala. So please, first of all made by MGG paste and kaju paste and डाल के फ्राई किया, and paneer also in boiled water, and then mix it, and please taste it. Paneer butter masala. Thickness is very good and clearly and tasted by Mr. Yes Pandey.
Paneer butter masala in this a very good taste. Little bit of like a sweetness and a buttery flavor I have feeling in it. So that's it. The taste is very good.
So next we have raita. Vivek, please explain.
Namaste friends, I am Vivek, the student of second year. We prepared this raita. It's a Punjabi raita. We use a lot of ingredients like dhania and we use a tadka also. The jeera powder. Let's have a taste. Good. Tastes very good. I really like it. Thank you.
Next we have Rodi Kheer. It is made by Shishupal and Yapin. Please explain.
We have Rodi Kheer. It's a part of Punjabi cuisine. It made with sugarcane juice and added some rice and just only these two ingredients and other dry fruits. As it garnish with this garnish with almond and some other dry fruits. Let's have a taste. Ma'am?
You should also taste. The taste of Rodi Kheer is good. The sweetness is perfect. I can see the garnishing and the color is also good. The sugar cane, I can taste the sugarcane juice also in this. It's nice. Now I would like to call our Mr. Bankim sir to share some messages.
So friends, today you have seen the episode of this 7th of August 2025. This is Group D of the 3rd semester BSc HHA program. They have prepared the same menu which has been prepared yesterday. Today's development has been made little bit in a better manner because the development will take place the more you practice, the more your hands will be polished. So I request each and every student to come to the class. But yes, today I have seen that the turnover of the students in the class, that is not healthy. We have got 38 students in one batch, that is Group D, but only approximately 11 students have appeared. So these number of students who are appearing, they are gaining the knowledge, but what about those students who are not appearing? So friends, those students who are watching this video, which I will be sending in the official WhatsApp group of IHM Gwalior made for those students, please assess on this particular negative point that are you doing the right thing? I think you are not. You are losing many things. You are losing the knowledge. You are being deprived of many things because of your own fault only. So don't take any risk. Time will never come back. Time is giving you this particular moment to learn and learn. So whenever you get time, you please come and learn. But when the fixation of the time has been made, that is 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. on Monday to Friday every week, and from 7th of July we have already started the classes, and the classes will be there for the 3rd semester BSc HHA program till 31st of October 2025. You will not get this time back. And one more thing, why you are making the video on regular basis? The reason being, you will have a lot of practice, you will have an open hand to express your skill, to express your talks. Because let the others grow on the basis of your talk. Let the others grow on the basis of your performances. So those who are not coming to the class, my dear friends, my dear students, please come to the class, and we are sharing this video with your honorable respected parents also, because we have got their WhatsApp group, official WhatsApp group, because let them know about their children, what they're doing. I have got many phone calls that my son, my daughter has started for your college, for your classes, but they are not seen on the video, or they are being marked in the attendance. See, we are only responsible for the students from 9 to 5:30 in the class. Why they are not entering the class? Please, the parents, please check it out, and please train them in particular way. But the guarantee from our side is we are giving them the right input, we are teaching them the right thing, and we want them to be number one in the world market. So friends, not taking much time, I am Bankim Johar, the head of the department. I have told you the rooms for improvement for those students who are not coming to the class. So please come to the class on regular basis. Now, I will just go through each and every item once more. Regarding the salad, I have seen that the salad has been made in a nice way, but a little bit hodgepodge is there. You can see that the whole small plate that is covered the entire cucumber, the carrot, tomato, onion, green chili and the lemon. It could have been a little more bigger container, but I don't mind in this case because there's a dearth in the number of utensils, or you can say we don't have the sufficient crockeries out here. So that is why that may be the problem, because it's a kitchen. We have got the utensils, but the crockery, that particular number is not very much up to that mark. Okay. After that, we have got Matar Pulao. The color contrast is very good. On the top, the garnish with the coriander leaves, it's also good. The green peas are being very much visible, and I could have adjusted. I would have told you earlier also, which I have done earlier, that the surrounding this blank space of the plate, that is looking blank. So this can be done by spreading the coriander leaves, or say for example some onion rings deep fried, or some green peas, so that the empty space could have been engaged properly. After that, regarding the chole, color is good. I will not have any second opinion. Color is very good. The onion rings are also very much visible. The gravy is good. The bhature it has puffed up in a proper manner. It has become brown. So bhature, it's a little bit over fried. So that over frying could have been controlled by controlling the flame. After that, we have got butter paneer masala. It has got the garnish of the fresh cream on the top, that is there. And we have got this next item, that is raita. A little bit mistake has been created, that is on the top the garnish is not there, because it's looking very much blank. If there is no garnish, what will happen? People will not be able to enjoy it, because garnish is the ornament of the dish. If you apply the garnish, what will happen? People will start liking it. So little bit of garnish has to be there on each and every Indian dishes. So that is a room for improvement today. Otherwise, the earthenware container is very good. This gives the traditional look. After that, we have got raudi kheer. That is the rice kheer which has been made by using the sugarcane juice. I have already tasted that earlier. Suresh Bhaiya has offered me. I have gone through it. The sweetness is very good. The flavor of the jaggery is there. The taste of the jaggery is there. The thickness is very good. Only my request to those students who are not appearing in the class, please come to the class. Otherwise, other students are very good and they have shown their greatest performance. Thank you very much, supervisor. Thank you very much. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay nice, stay jolly, stay blessed, and God bless you all. Thank you.